Hi dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is a multiple questions based on a pair of linear equation, two variables. Okay, the first question is the pair of linear equation is consistent, then the corresponding line will be. So here when the lines are parallel, the condition is a1 by a2 that is equals to b1 by b2 and that is not equals to c1 by c2, and this is inconsistent state. Okay, this is inconsistent state. And coincidence, the condition is a1 by a2 that is equals to b1 by b2 and that is equals to c1 by c2, that is consistent. And when the lines are intersecting always, the condition is a1 by a2 that is not equals to b1 by b2. So this is also a consistent state. So therefore both the option B is correct as well as D is correct, and that combinedly that is given in option C, that is when the lines are intersecting or coincident, the lines are consistent. Okay, this is the correct answer for the first question. And the second one is, if x equals to a and y equals to b is the solution for the pair of equation, that is equations are given, that is x minus y equals to 2 and x plus y equals to 4, then the value of a and b, we have to find out the value of a and b. So here is the solution for this problem. So here x minus y equals to 2 and x plus y equals to 4. So when we add this, y gets cancelled, then x plus x, it gives 2x equals to 6, therefore x becomes 3. Then when we substitute the value of x equals to 3 in equation 2, so what it becomes? X plus y equals to 4, so x value is 3. So when 3 comes to other side of the equality sign, it becomes minus 3. So therefore value of y is 1. So we can substitute value of x in either equation 1 or equation 2, will get the same answer. Therefore correct answer is option B, that is the value of a and b are 3, 1. Then the third question is, the point 7, 2 and minus 1, 0 lie on a line. So 4 lines are given. Now one simple method is, we have to substitute the value of x and y in any one equation, and we have to check whether it gives the solution or not. So here that method is used. So by considering the value 7, 2 and minus 1, 0 in the second equation, that is 4y equals to x plus 1. So y value is 2 and x value is 7 in the first one. So therefore it gives LHS equals to RHS. Similarly in the second coordinate, that is minus 1, 0, when we substitute that in equation B, that is 4y equals to x plus 1, it also gives the same solution. In both the case, left hand side is equals to right hand side. So therefore the point 7, 2 and minus 1, 0 lie on the line 4y equals to x plus 1. Okay, that is a simple one. Just substitute the values and check whether that gives the left hand side is equals to right hand side or not. Otherwise we have one lengthy step here. Okay, no need that. Then next question, if 6k is solution of the equation 3x plus y minus 22 equals to 0, then the value of k is, here we have to find out value of k. We have to substitute 6 in the place of x and k in the place of y. The solution is here. So x equals to 6 and y equals to k, we have to substitute in this equation, that is given equation, that is 3x plus y equals to minus 22. 3 6 are 18 plus k equals to minus 22. So k equals to minus 4, therefore k minus 4 equals to 0, therefore k equals to minus 4. Option A is the correct answer. Then the next one is, the pair of linear equation x equals to 4 and y equals to 3 is graphically represent the line which are so that one we have to find out. And here the conditions, the options are parallel, coincident, intersecting at 3, 4 and intersecting at 4, 3. Here value of x is given, that is x equals to 4 and value of y is 3. So therefore value of x and y are given, then the line is intersecting at 4, 3, intersecting at 4, 3. Option D is the correct answer. The next one is, if x equals to x plus y equals to 18 and x minus y is equals to 6, then the value of x and y are, we have to use elimination method for the simplification. That is same, x plus y equals to 18, x minus y is equals to 6. So when we add this, y term gets cancelled and 2x becomes 24, then x becomes 12. Now we have to substitute this value of x equals to 12 either in equation 1 or equation 2. Here we substituted in equation 1, that is x plus y is equals to 18. So x value is 12. So when we substitute that, 12 when comes to other side becomes minus 12. So therefore answer is 6. So therefore x equals to 12 and y is equals to 6 is the answer. Option C is the correct answer. The next seventh one is, if the pair of linear equation kx minus 5y equals to 2 and 6x plus 2y is equals to 7 have no solution, then the value of k is. When it does not have any solution, that means the lines are parallel to each other, and the condition for lines are parallel to each other is a1 by a2 that is equals to b1 by b2 and that is not equals to c1 by c2. This is the condition. a1 by a2 that is equals to b1 by b2 and that is not equals to c1 by c2. From the above equation, in the first equation, that is kx minus y minus 2 equals to 0, value of a1 is k, value of b1 is minus 5 and value of c1 is minus 2. And from the second equation, that is 6x plus 2y minus 7 equals to 0, value of a is 6, value of b is 2 and value of c2 is minus 7. So therefore, we have to substitute that value in the given condition, that is k by 6 equals to minus 5 by 2 that is not equals to minus 2 by 7. So we will leave this, we will neglect the third part, only we can consider the first two, that is k by 6 equals to minus 5 by 2. So when we cross multiply this, it becomes 2k is equals to minus 30 and k value becomes minus 30 by 2 that is 50, minus 15. So option D is the correct answer. The next one, eighth one, the pair 2x equals to 3y minus 5 and 2y is equals to 5x minus 4 of linear equation represent two lines which are. So again we have to find out the values by using the condition. So here from the above equation we can write the value of a1 as 2, b1 as minus 3 and c1 as 5. Similarly a2 minus 5, b2 2 and c2 4. So here a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 they are not equal. a1 by a2 is 2 by minus 5 and b1 by b2 is minus 3 by 2 and therefore we get a1 by a2 that is not equals to b1 by b2. Therefore the lines are intersecting. Option C is the correct answer. The ninth question, if the of linear equation 3x plus y, 3x plus 1 into x plus 3y minus 2 equals to 0, and k square plus 1 into x plus k minus 2 into y minus 5 equals to 0 are inconsistent, then the value of k. Inconsistent means the lines are parallel to each other. So when the lines are parallel to each other, the condition is a1 by a2, that is equals to b1 by b2, and that's equals to c1 by c2. This is the condition when the lines are parallel to each other. And from the above equation, we got the value of a1 as 3k plus 1, b1 as 3, c1 as minus 2. Similarly, a2 as k square plus 1, b2 equals to k minus 2, and c2 equals to minus 5. So when we substitute that value in the above equation, so it becomes 5k equals to minus 5, and k value becomes minus 1. So option B is the correct answer. Then 10th one, if pair of linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0 represent coincident lines, then the answer is, when the lines are coincident, then which is the condition? So when the lines are intersecting, the condition is a1 by a2, that is not equals to b1 by b2. And when the lines are parallel, then a1 by a2, that is equals to b1 by b2, and that is not equals to c1 by c2. And when the lines are coincident, the answer is a1 by a2, that is equals to b1 by b2, and that is equals to c1 by c2. So this is the condition for when the lines are coincident. Then 11th question, if a pair of linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, this is general form, okay, and similarly a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0 represent intersecting lines. When the lines are intersecting, then what is the condition? The condition is a1 by a2, that is not equals to b1 by b2. So option B is the correct answer. Then 12th question, if the line represented by the equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0 are parallel but not coincident. Parallel but not coincident. When the lines are parallel to each other, then the condition is a1 by a2, that is equals to b1 by b2, and that is not equals to c1 by c2. Option D is the correct answer. Then 13th question, if x plus y equals to 14 and x minus y equals to 4, then the value of x into y. So here we have to find out value of x as well as we have to find out value of y, and we have to find out the product of x and y. We'll see the solution. See here we used substitution method. X plus y is equals to 14, then y value becomes 14 minus x, and when we substitute that value in the equation, that is x minus y equals to 4, we will get 2x equals to 18, and x value becomes 18 by 2, that is 9. And when we substitute this value of x, that is x equals to 1, in the above equation, that is equation number 1, we will get y value as 5. So therefore x into y becomes 9 5s are 45. Option A is the correct answer. Okay, we can use elimination method also. Just in the previous problems we use elimination, this is substitution method. The next one, if pair of the equation 2x plus y equals to 5 and 5x plus 5 by 2y equals to k represent two coincident lines, then the value of k. When the lines are coincident, we have to find out the value of k. So here 2x plus y equals to 5, and it becomes 2x plus y minus 5 equals to 0 when we take that 5 to the left hand side. So therefore a1 value becomes 2, a2 value becomes b1 value becomes 1, and c1 value becomes minus 5. And similarly in the second equation, that is 5x plus 5y divided by 2 plus k, the value of a2 becomes 5, b2 becomes 5 by 2, and c2 becomes minus k. So therefore we can consider the condition for coincident line, that is a1 by a2, that is b1 by b2, that is equals to c1 by c2, and by comparing the equation we will get the value of k as 25 by 2. 25 by 2. Okay, this is the solution for this. Option B is the correct answer. Then 15th question. If 5000 were distributed among 150 students, how many students? 150 students. If each girl gets rupees 50 and a boy gets rupees 25, then the number of boys is, how many boys we have to find out. So here let the number of girls be x and boys be y. So here the total number of girls considered as x and total number of boys are considered as y. So total number of students, it is given that it is 150. Total number of students is how much? 150. When we add total number of boys and total number of girls, that gives total number of students. Therefore we can get the equation, that is x plus y is equals to 150, and value of x becomes 150 minus y, and total amount distributed is how much? 5000, and each girl gets 50 rupees and each boy gets 25 rupees. So therefore 50 into girl is equals to 25 into boy. So therefore equation becomes 50x plus 25y is equals to 5000, total amount. So we can take 25 common, and from this the equation becomes 2x plus y is equals to 200. And when we substitute this, first condition, that is equation 1, value of x we have to substitute in equation 2, it becomes y is equals to 100. So therefore total number of boys is how much? 100. If they ask girls, then we have to substitute that value and we have to find out the value of x also. Now option is C, that is total number of boys is 100. Then 16th question, the sum of two numbers is 35 and the difference is 13, then the numbers are. So your equation is not given, we have to frame the equation and we have to find out the solution. So first it is given that let the number be x and y, the sum is 35, so x plus y becomes 35, and similarly difference is 13, x minus y is equals to 13. So we can solve this problem by using substitution method as well as elimination method. Here in this it is considered, the substitution method is considered, and value of y is 35 minus x is substituted in this equation, and finally it gives the value of x as 24, and when you substitute that value of x equals to 24 in equation 1, we'll get the value of y as 11. Therefore option B is the correct answer, value of x is 24 and value of y is 11. Then the 17th question is, if root a x minus root b y is equals to b minus a and root b x minus root a y is equals to 0, then the value of x y is value of x into y. See here it is solution is little lengthy. So from this method we can get the value of x as minus a minus root a and value of b as minus root b, and the product of xy becomes minus root a into minus root b, that is equals to root of ab, that is equals to root of ab. Option C is the correct answer. Then 18th question, if bx plus ay is equals to a square plus b square and ax minus by equals to 0, then the value of x minus y equals to value of x minus y. So first condition is bx plus ay is equals to a square plus b square. So, and the second equation is ax minus b y is equals to 0. We have to multiply the first equation with the help of b and second equation with the help of a, and it gives the solution as x equals to b. And when we substitute the value of x equals to b in equation 2, it gives ax minus by is equals to 0, and we can take b common. It becomes b is equals to a minus y, and it gives y is equals to a. So therefore x minus y becomes b minus a. If you want, you can take the screenshot of this. Okay, option B is the correct answer, that is b is equals to b minus a. Option B is b minus a. Then 19th question, the pair of equation x plus 2y is equals to 3 and 5x plus 10y is equals to minus 1 has dash solution. How many solution? So we have to find out that by using condition. Here value of a1 by a2 is 1 by 2 and b1 by b2 is again 1 by 2 and c1 by c2 is equals to minus 3 by 1. So here a1 by a2, that is equals to b1 by b2, and that is not equals to c1 by c2. This is the condition for parallel lines. When two lines are parallel, then it does not have any solution. So option D is the correct answer, that is no solution. Then 20th question, the solution for the equation x minus y is equals to 4 and x plus y is equals to 10 are. So this is elimination method. So y minus y plus y gets cancelled and x value becomes 14 by 2, that is 7. So when you substitute that in equation 1, that is x minus y is equals to 4, it gives the value of y as 3. So therefore x equals to 7 and x equals to 3, that is option A is the correct answer. Then 21st question, the pair of linear equation, that is x plus y is equals to 8 and x minus y is equals to 4, the value of x and y. So you must be thorough with the substitution method or in elimination method. So here x plus y and minus y gets cancelled, remaining is x equals to 12 by 2, that becomes 6, and when you substitute that in equation 1, it becomes 6 minus y is equals to 4 and value of y becomes 2. So option A is the correct answer, that is A is equals to 6 and 2. Then 22nd question, for which value of S of P will be the line representing the following pair of linear equation, that is 2x minus y minus 5 equals to 0 and 6x minus 2y minus p equals to 0 be parallel. So again here also we have to use the condition. So when the lines are parallel and the condition is a1 by a2, that is equals to b1 by b2, that is not equals to c1 by c2, but a condition is not given clearly, and so therefore we will get the answer as all real values except 10. Then 23rd question, the graphical representation of two pair of linear equation when they are satisfying the condition. So when the lines are satisfying the condition, that is A1 by A2, that is B1 by B2, that is equals to C1 by C2, then they are coincident lines. Okay, when they are parallel, B1 by B2, that is not equals to C1 by C2. Then graphically the pair of equation 7x minus y equals to 5 and 21x minus 3y equals to 10 represent two lines which are, again we have to use the same condition, and here the A1 by A2 that is equals to B1 by B2 and that is not equals to C1 by C2, and then the lines are parallel to each other. Okay, we have to find out from the equation 1 and 2 the value of A1, B1 and C1. Similarly, we have to find out A2, B2 and C2, and we have to use the relationship. Then 25th question, the taxi in the city charges rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 5 for each succeeding kilometer if passenger travel 8 kilometer, and the total cost paid is. Let the charge for the first kilometer is x and for the total distance traveled is y. So therefore it becomes 5x plus 5y, and y value is given 8 kilometer. So therefore 15 plus 40, it gives 15, 55. Therefore 55 is the total answer. Option